No deal! No deal! Go, go, go!
That means may special na mangyayari sa next case.
16.
Briefcase number 12.
Oh. Wrong, dapat 16 yan. May mataas. Yun, mataas na.
You hate me, Banker.
Si Neil, 25 pesos. Si Ella, 300 pesos. Ikaw lang ang hindi niya paborito. Nakakainis daw ang game na to.
Ella sa 7. Yes, sa 18.
Ba't naiiyak ka na?
Hindi ko alam. Feeling ko nandito yung daddy ko.
I'm sure, no matter what you're doing, wherever you are, your dad is always around you, giving you the tightest hug possible. Bankers offer 225,000 pesos. Is it a deal?
No deal! No deal! No deal!
Ano sabi ko? Manititigaw ko na to. No deal, no deal.
Sabi mo nga kanina, nararamdaman mo na your dad is here. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa iyong special angel watching over you right now?
Nami-miss ko na siya sobra. Tsaka happy birthday. Thank you, Daddy.
Take this, Julie.
Love you, Dad. Thank you so much.
You know, I'm sure na with everything going for you, with everything going for you, I guess I can speak on everyone's behalf. We know for a fact that your dad is
Wow, may
very,
panyo pa
very
yun.
proud of you and loves you so much. Okay? Kung iisipin natin, Bunso, walang katalo-talo ang laro mo. Walang katalo-talo. Kumbaga, may 100,000 na. Guaranteed na yan. At syempre, gusto natin dagdagan. We want to give you as much as we can. But, for us to do that, we need to open 1, 3,
16.
16.
briefcase number 16, game 2.
I mean, 20 pala.
Buksan na yan, please.
20 dapat mataas yan.